What happens to the wood chips after tree removal? After tree removal, wood chips are often left behind. These can be used in various ways. 1. As mulch for landscaping and garden beds. 2. To fill the hole left by stump removal. 3. Removed by the tree service company, sometimes for an additional fee. 4. Left for natural decomposition to enrich the soil if wood chips are left on your property. You can choose to spread them, use them for landscaping, or have them removed, depending on your preferences and needs. Don't let those wood chips go to waste. Call us today at 615-796-6694 to discuss your tree removal and wood chip management options.